This is John with WTI. And this has been a bit of a surprise for me this month. So this Campbell's tomato juice has been an all around for me. So I've had this as a normal drink. I've had this for even for cooking. Like I've done some of the greatest sauces lately with this tomato juice, and I was like, well, maybe this is just a drink. But I tried this once the other day while I was trying to do a sauce, and I was curious. I was like, what if I use this as a tomato sauce? I ran out of it, of the tomato sauce that I use every single week or month. And this guy actually did pretty good. I'm going to keep using it for cooking. But this is not only for cooking, it could be direct, straight juice, or there's something called clamato in my country that if you mix it with beer and you put it all together, it's like a whole drink. And it's pretty good. So you'd be surprised. For me, this was my surprise of the month, and it was great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.